Well, people they come by as they are far rich, but as this salary day for this year, no customers, and then everything is then there. That is the wahala over the face. What they say at least for last year, 60,000. For this year, it then they go 100,000. That is why many people, some go ready 60,000 as a meter they buyer. If they call meter and say they reach 100,000, they'll go back to house. That is the issue.
Few people they don't come and they don't see they come again. Then even they inside the market, right? Because of buy ram to use and do salah. Some people are dashing their people. Some they are taking use them by themselves. So lowest price like last year, if you see ram of 50,000, taken do here. Do salah, but this year 79 be the lowest of the yes. The highest one is 400 in this month. Yes, each one ram. No, it is our cow. It depends of the value of the ram. That's why it too cost past cow. Yes. Yes, now.
How many ram you don't sell today?
Today I sell like only 5.
You don't sell 5?
Yes.
Now you don't sell 5?
Yes.
I can't buy ram. I get my customer number, so I don't already call them. So may keep some to some certain range. But the price they call for me, they shock me. So I say I come personally, come see them. They tried, they increased it like 10 or 20,000. But I know everything because of transportation and because of the insecurity for road that they face. Sometimes when they come, they spend days before they carry the things come. So they explain all these things to us. So when they factor them into the cost of everything, now you say go up. So now you have the issue. May they celebrate and peacefully share. May they just share love basically. Make everybody just be happy, cook, share food amongst each other. Then that's just it. Be your neighbor's keeper.
And also we thank God because as people they say market the money they will thank God we don't say where they see the buyer. Smallest friend, na different. They could see like a 50, 55, 60, 70, 80, 100, 150 as a pocket rich. That's how market be. And people they come. Some men here they don't buy, they don't mark and down. But tomorrow morning or maybe later in the evening they'll come carry on.
Definitely, I will say how they sell. Because now sell we they sell. We they buy from north, sell for here. Well, we thank God. But you yourself, you don't see come the market, don't see how it be now. If to say they move, you for not come meet many customers. But inside there, we also they push on, they go small. One. If you sell one, you just see. We know say tomorrow still day, next tomorrow still day. So hope still day. The lowest range definitely should just be 65. Let me say 80. There's no ram less than 75. Yeah. The highest. I think the highest was about the one they sold yesterday. 450. Yes, 450. Then see the other one there. That one na 400. I say now all of us na the same country we dey. So waiting me still the face. No be only me want the face on. Then still the face on. So na challenges will be say affect everybody. Now the economy. So we just dey push on the go. Now Nigeria.
I mean, many things now we teach ourselves about this time, because immediately we enter this last month for Islamic calendar, what they call Zulhijjah. That first 10 days, today night be the 9th day now. Now fasting period, do good, try to abstain from evil. Then today now be the Arafat day. When we say Arafat day, people when they go make a Hajj, they dey for place where they call station where they call Arafat. That place now they pray to God Almighty Allah, make Allah bless them, make Allah protect them. Anything request what they want, Allah go and Allah go they happy with them. Allah they manifest the power and the majesty for the lowest heaven for that today. They look the servant we migrate from different direction part of the world come there. So we will not go, we will do our own. We go fast today. We go pray. We go happy to God. Our shortcomings, mistake we don't make God forgive us. Then we will try to do good to help our fellow human being, because all hands are not equal. People there now, for example, now they prepare. They don't go buy ram. Some don't buy cow. Some don't buy camel. Some don't buy goat according to their power. They want slaughter tomorrow. People still dey wey be say they no fit afford these things at all. They just look like that. Even to buy new clothes for themselves, their family, na hard thing because of the economic problem wey we face. Those kind of people now, make dem dey patient. One, there are people wey get, make dem also extend these goodies to them. Then na why we see say when we anything we wan slaughter, we divide am into 3 parts. One part for you wey get am, your family. The other part na for your neighbor. The other part na for the less privileged ones. So in every rich man's well, the poor get share. If the poor refuse to give them, calamity go dey the head. That na one of the things wey dey happen for Nigeria now, because the government who controls the wealth and the rich people, they no dey let this wealth dey flow to the poor people. That means say tension dey everywhere. Every katakata na dey everywhere. So na opportunity for us to do good. What is good and abstain from what other is bad. Then tomorrow, you ask God spare your life, you wake up, you go pray, you go chop, then wear your best clothes, put on your best clothes yourself and your family, put scent for body, then carry your tesbih, they begin to do zikri, they go, they praise Allah, la ilaha illallah, or any other thing zikri wey you know, the Islamic song. You go your Eid ground where you wan pray, go sit down. When you go to listen to sermon, malam go come give sermon, imam go come pray for everybody. Even women, as e dey important, even women wey be say they no dey come prayer when they dey under their period, menstrual period. But because of this importance of this salah, they go sit down, they go dey listen to sermon, listen to wa'azi, so that they go hear am take am better. So e dey very, as you dey go so, angels, God send down the angels wey dey pray for everybody. Say, this na my servant wey be say they go implement the tradition of Sayyidina Ibrahim, Prophet Abraham. Because this salah this thing wey we dey do so, the hajj, the celebration, the slaughtering, everything e dey round Prophet Abraham. Because one, he deny himself for several opportunities to please Allah. Then Allah make him to become a friend. Khalilullah. Allah make him a friend. Now, Abraham, he get first wife, wey be Sarah. This woman, he no fit get pikin. Na the king, one country can't give am housemaid, a young girl, wey be called Hagar, wey they call Hajara for Islam. So when they go, Sarah can't tell Abraham, say, as e be so, I no fit born for you. Take this girl, make you marry her, give her a dowry, then marry her.